What's up, Radar Cars family? Today we're going to be doing a quick review of this Skywing motorcycle phone mount, which is a high-quality, affordable solution to a big problem. When I was living in Japan in the mid-2000s, I had a Honda CBR 600RR Euro spec. I had the Euro spec because even though I was living in Japan, which is the source of most crotch rockets, the Japanese versions of the motorcycles are underpowered. Anyway, I love to go out and explore Japan. I like to go to these warehouse areas and practice my wheelies. But in most of the 2000s, we didn't have smartphones with GPS technology to guide us. So basically, I had to look on Google Maps and print out a Google map and put it in my pocket, or just memorize routes, which was an adventure in and of itself. And by the way, there wasn't a shred of English on those maps, but despite getting lost sometimes, it was still a blast. So naturally, I appreciate having a smartphone like a Samsung Galaxy, which has a nice big screen and Google Maps built in, which is the best friend of a motorcycle adventurer. And if you're like me and you want to get out and explore God's beautiful earth on 2 wheels, or if you like to get on 1 wheel once in a while, then you're going to need one of these. Here's what's in the box. All right, so you got your phone mount. It has these nice rubber grips here to keep it from sliding. One thing I love about this is that it fits all kinds of different phones. It's flexible. As you can see, it's going to fit my smartphone. This is actually my work phone I'm using because I'm recording on my Galaxy Note phone. And it protects. It's a soft rubber, so it protects, but it also provides vibration resistance, and it fits, like I said, any number of phones. So you don't have to switch this out for different phones if you have different phones like I do. This will fit everything. Okay, so here's your mount. It's 360-degree rotational. You can bend it in all different kinds of directions. One thing I love about this is to put this on, you don't have to actually unbolt it, which could take forever, but it slides right out just like that. You put this on your handlebar like this, and then you just slide this bolt right in from the side, pull it down, and tighten it up. I love time savings. Awesome. On the inside here, you have a nice high quality feeling rubber to it, which looks like it wouldn't be scratching your handlebar, which is awesome because mine is black and easy to scratch. All right, here's something really cool. They gave us a free wooden phone stand. I love free stuff, guys. This is just an awesome touch. This is so worth like less than 20 bucks. It's ridiculous. So you have that there. If you have a large phone like I do, this actually has one of these, I don't know if this is a Gorilla case, but it's like a 2-stage case here. It's got 2 different parts to it, so it's very thick and that holds up. Or if you have a thinner phone, pop that over. You got your Skywing logo. Pretty awesome. A nice free little touch. Good job, Skywing. And that's it. Let's see how she does on the bike. All right, so we'll just go ahead and, as I mentioned, you don't have to unscrew both of these. You can just keep that one right on there. And then, like I said, we're going to take this and just slide it right in. Okay, like I mentioned, this thing is very thick. This is my work phone. It has a double case on it. So we're going to go ahead and just stretch that in. Look at that, it goes right on. Really easy to do. Which brings me to another great feature here. You just slide that right on effortlessly. And as you can see, turns in all directions, tilts, pitch, yaw, all that good stuff. And the other great thing is this has a single hand release. So there's buttons on here. You simply just push the buttons, pull it off like that. Like, this couldn't be easier for a motorcyclist. You could obviously operate this even with gloves on. It gives you that click feedback to let you know that it's on or off. So like that, line it up, snaps right into place. I love that. It's effortless. And when you are riding a motorcycle, you want everything to be effortless. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put mine vertical just because I like to see further up the road. And in case you get any calls or whatnot, you can take those here. And let's take her on the road. So guys, I am highly recommending this solution from Skywing. So very versatile, fits multiple phones. It is skid resistant, it is vibration resistant. Couldn't be easier to use. Single-handed operation, slides right on. Highly recommended. I'm giving this 5 stars. For less than 20 bucks, you can't go wrong.